Ever heard of a company called Nvidia? I bet you have.
Probably.
Maybe even own one of their graphics cards.
Yeah.
Powers your gaming rig right now.
For sure.
But here's the thing about Nvidia.
Yeah.
Their reach goes way beyond just making those awesome graphics for gaming.
Oh, yeah.
We're doing a deep dive into their story today.
Okay.
We're using two main sources.
Mm-hmm.
An internal document they put out,
Okay.
Nvidia-story.pdf, kind of
Right.
like their highlight reel, and then their Wikipedia page.
Right.
Surprisingly detailed Wikipedia page.
Yeah.
Our mission today is to try to equip you with a good understanding of why Nvidia is considered such a titan in the tech world,
Okay.
especially regarding AI.
Interesting.
And their journey is quite a wild ride.
Yeah, it is.
Nvidia-story.pdf kind of reads like one big victory lap, talking about how they went from 0 to 100. And by 100, I mean powering AI factories worldwide.
Wow.
They're even being compared to like trillion-dollar tech giants out there.
And that comparison,
Like Apple, Google, Microsoft.
that comparison isn't as far-fetched as it sounds.
Right. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's rewind to the beginning.
Okay.
Because every tech giant starts somewhere, right?
That's true.
And NVIDIA's story, believe it or not, starts at a Denny's.
That's true.
Far cry from like your typical Silicon Valley garage.
Exactly.
So Wikipedia tells us, 1993,
Right.
3 guys,
Right.
Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Prime.
Okay.
Fueled by coffee, and I'm assuming some moons over my hammy, they decided to shake up the tech world.
Right.
But here's where it gets interesting.
Okay.
Their first big move was actually betting on the wrong technology.
Wow.
A decision that almost bankrupted them
Really?
before they even really got started.
Wow.
So this early misstep is
Yeah.
actually super insightful
How so?
because it highlights NVIDIA's remarkable ability to pivot and adapt,
Okay.
to analyze the tech landscape, recognize a misstep, and change course,
Right.
which became a defining factor in their success.
So they failed forward.
Yeah, I guess you could say that.
Interesting.
Sometimes you have to, right?
Yeah.
And NVIDIA's comeback
Yeah.
with their Riva 128 graphics card, again,
Definitely.
detailed in their Wikipedia entry,
Right.
is a perfect example of this.
So they came back strong.
They came back strong. Suddenly, they were back in the game,
Oh.
making waves in the tech world.
Yeah.
And we're not just talking about a lucky break here.
Okay.
Their Wikipedia entry really underscores the technical prowess behind the RVA 128.
What did they do?
It proved that they could not only design crazy powerful graphics cards,
Okay.
but also understand what the market actually needed.
That's huge.
It was the foundation for their future success.
So they go public.
They went public, became the name in high-performance gaming.
Wow.
But that was really just act 1 of their story.
Wow.
It's almost hard to believe that such a powerhouse started with just a late-night brainstorming session at Denny's.
It's a good reminder
Right.
that even the biggest tech giants
Yeah.
were once just a small group with a big idea. But what truly catapulted NVIDIA to the forefront of the tech world was their pivotal role in the rise of AI.
And that's where Nvidia-story.pdf really kicks into gear.
Okay.
It celebrates how they're practically reinventing the world with their technology.
Mm-hmm.
A bit dramatic, maybe?
Well-
Or is it?
They might be overselling it a tad,
Okay.
but their impact on AI is undeniable.
Right.
There's this pivotal moment,
Yeah.
barely even mentioned in Nvidia-story.pdf,
Really?
but it's highlighted in their Wikipedia article
Okay.
that really shifted the landscape. It
Okay.
goes back to 2009
Mm-hmm.
when their GPUs, those graphics processing units that gamers love,
Yeah.
became the unexpected heroes of deep learning.
It's funny how those two things go together, right? Like, what was it about their GPUs that made them such a good fit for AI?
It all comes down to architecture.
Okay.
See, deep learning relies on these incredibly complex calculations,
Mm-hmm.
specifically something called matrix multiplications.
Oh, okay.
It's like if you can imagine trying to solve a gigantic Sudoku puzzle,
Yeah.
but instead of numbers, you're crunching massive amounts of data.
Okay.
CPUs, the brains of most computers,
Mm-hmm.
are great at tackling tasks one after another,
Right.
but GPUs are designed for parallel processing.
Okay.
They can handle tons of calculations simultaneously,
Mm-hmm.
which makes them insanely efficient for the kind of heavy lifting that deep learning algorithms demand.
So it was like NVIDIA had the secret weapon
Yeah,
just waiting for the right moment.
exactly.
Wow.
But it wasn't just the hardware, it was their software too.
Okay.
They developed this thing called CDA. It's a platform that basically gives developers the keys to unlock the parallel processing power of their GPUs.
Okay.
Before CU-Day, coding for this kind of parallel processing was a nightmare.
Yeah.
But NVIDIA made it accessible,
Hmm.
and that's what really opened the floodgates for AI development.
Wow.
Like I said, a real turning point.
And the rest, as they say, is history.
Well, history in the making for sure.
Right.
This is where that Google brain story comes in.
Okay.
Wikipedia mentions how Google used NVIDIA's GPUs to build this deep learning system
Mm-hmm.
that was mind-blowingly fast, like 100 times faster than anything they'd seen before.
Talk about a game changer.
Huge game changer.
Wow.
It was a defining moment.
Okay.
It proved that large-scale AI wasn't some distant dream. It was achievable. And NVIDIA had handed everyone the tools to make it happen.
Okay, so they're powering all this amazing AI research,
Yes.
but Nvidia-story.pdf takes it a step further.
Okay.
They're talking about something called AI factories.
Yeah.
It sounds pretty intense.
It's a great way to describe the shift that's happening.
Okay.
It's no longer just about scientists and labs experimenting with AI.
Yeah.
It's about companies using NVIDIA's technology to actually build AI products,
Right.
to produce intelligence on a massive scale.
So intelligence is the new commodity.
Exactly.
So instead of churning out widgets, these factors are churning out algorithms.
Exactly.
So everyone and their mother wants a piece of this AI pie.
Pretty much.
But can NVIDIA even keep up with this demand?
That's the thing.
Are they supplying like the entire world with these AI powering chips?
Well, Nvidia-story.pdf is basically a who's who of tech giants.
Okay.
You got AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure.
Mm-hmm.
They're all relying on NVIDIA's chips to power their AI infrastructure.
Right.
But here's the kicker.
Okay.
Even with NVIDIA running full speed ahead, they can't keep up.
Really?
Both sources actually talk about this.
Wow.
This insane demand.
I mean, that's a good problem to have, right?
For sure.
It's not every day that a company becomes so crucial to the future of an entire industry,
Exactly.
let alone technology in general.
When even tech billionaires are rumored to be, begging for these chips,
Really?
they've hit a nerve.
Wow, that's wild.
Yeah.
It's incredible to think that this all goes back to those three guys at Denny's.
I know, right?
Talk about a wild success story.
It really highlights how fast the tech landscape changes.
Right.
But it's also a good reminder that every innovation, every breakthrough really starts with just a spark of an idea.
That's very true.
Yeah.
Speaking of sparks and ideas, Nvidia-story.pdf ends by highlighting their learning machine company culture.
Which makes sense.
Which I guess makes sense given that they're leading the charge in AI.
Right. But it also brings up a question that isn't really addressed in that document.
What's that?
Like, what happens when those learning machines, the ones they're building, become more sophisticated?
Okay, now we're getting into some philosophical territory here.
A little bit.
Are we talking about AI sentience, the singularity, all that?
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Okay.
But it is interesting to note that NVIDIA is making some significant strides in robotics.
Really?
Their Wikipedia page details a whole range of projects in this area.
Wait, so NVIDIA's making robots now?
Yeah.
That seems like such a huge leap, even for them.
It's a natural progression, though, when you think about it.
That's true.
All their expertise with AI, their simulation technologies like the Omniverse platform,
You're right.
that all feeds directly into robotics.
So they're not just building the brains of these machines, they're building the bodies, too.
Yeah, in a way.
Oh,
And the implications of that are huge.
I knew that.
Because if NVIDIA is at the forefront of both AI and robotics, they're essentially shaping the future of how humans and machines are going to interact.
It's exciting, but I gotta admit, it's a little bit daunting, too.
It's understandable to feel a bit overwhelmed.
Yeah,
And that's why we do these deep dives,
right.
to break down these complex topics,
Yeah.
help you to understand these forces that are shaping our world.
It's like we have a roadmap to the future, even if the destination is still a little unclear.
Exactly.
Well, on that note,
Yeah.
this has been a fascinating deep dive into NVIDIA,
Yes.
a company that's clearly playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of AI and beyond.
Absolutely.
If NVIDIA is indeed becoming the architect of this AI revolution, what does that mean for the future?
That's the question, isn't it?
What kind of world are they building, and what role will we all play in it?
Think about that.